Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever find yourself typing the same email over and over again, whether it's follow-ups, client updates, or quick replies, then this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'll walk you through how to create and use email templates in Microsoft Outlook, step by step, in this full guide. By the end, you'll be sending polished, consistent emails with just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Click Sign In, then enter your email and password. Once you're in your Outlook dashboard, you're ready to create your first template. From your main Outlook page, click New Mail on the left-hand side. This opens up a blank draft. Think of this as your template workspace. Here, you can type out the email you find yourself repeating, maybe a weekly update, an onboarding message, or a thank you reply. Now, here's where the magic happens. On the top menu, click Insert, then choose Apps and go to My Templates. If you've never created one before, click Template and start designing your message. Add your text, adjust the formatting, include links, even emojis if you want to personalize it. Make it look exactly how you'd like it to appear every time. Once you're happy with your message, click Save. Your new email template will now live inside the My Templates section, ready to use anytime you need it. Now, the real benefit comes from reusing these templates. The next time you write a similar email, just open a new message, go to Insert greater than My Templates, and select the one you need. Boom. Your email is ready in seconds. This keeps your communication consistent, professional, and fast, especially if you're managing multiple clients or projects. And that's it. You've just learned how to create, save, and reuse Outlook templates like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover Outlook automations next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.